I-Eskom isiqalise isigaba sesibili sohlelo lokucishwa kogesi ngenhloso yokuwonga. Lesigaba sesibili siqale sezibuya inhlazane ngehora leshumi nomuvo. Lesikhungo esiphehla ugesi sithi kube nezingqinamba ezibe khona emazikweni aso okuyilithabo kanye nemajuba kanti iziko le-Eskom ithuthuka lona liphazamisekile. Kunama-unit amathathu asezikweni Kendall eMpumalanga asusiwe kanti kubonakala kuzosuswa ne-unit yokugcina esele.
The biggest problem is that 3 generation units have now been shut down at the Kendall power station because of a power fault into the conveyor belt system. That means no coal is reaching the power station. The remaining unit at Kendall power station will be shut down just now. That then means we have to implement stage 2 load shedding immediately. It is quite possible, and regretfully so, that the stage of load shedding can be increased going into the weekend while we are working to restore supply of coal to the Kendall power station.